Congratulations! If you're viewing this video, then you've likely landed an internship opportunity. Internships are the #1 way to get firsthand real-world experience into a particular industry and really put your classroom knowledge into action. This video will cover step-by-step instructions on successfully reporting your 4-credit internship. As a reminder, you must report your 4-credit internship details in Handshake prior to the start of your internship. To begin your report, click on the Career Center tab located in the top right corner of your Handshake dashboard. From there, you will select Experiences, and then click on the blue Request an Experience button. This will open up the reporting portal for you to list all of your internship details. It is important that you select the appropriate experience type when beginning this report. The experience selection will be associated with your internship class. For example, a design student will select DSGN M485 as that is the course number for the design internship class. It is vital that you select the correct experience type, as completing the wrong one could delay the start of your internship. From there, you will fill out the appropriate fields with your information. This will be pretty standard information necessary for vetting an internship site. It is important to note that you will need to enter the dates that you plan on starting and finishing your internship. This can be an approximation, but this information is needed. Once you fill out the information and get to the bottom of the internship report, you will need to acknowledge that you are required to upload an internship description letter provided by your supervisor. As a reminder, this letter is necessary for all internship approvals, and any internship reported without a letter will not be approved. An example of what is required can be found on the Career Center website. Here. You can provide this example as a template to your supervisor if needed. Once you've successfully entered your internship details, you will be brought to a screen to view the information and upload your internship description letter. You can do this by clicking Add New Attachment. Select the appropriate file and follow the instructions for uploading the document. This will then add it to your internship report. You will then be able to view your upload under the Attachments section. Again, any internships without this letter will not be approved and could delay the start of your internship. You will know that your internship details have been submitted when you receive an email indicating that your experience is being reviewed. You can always check the approval status of your internship in your Handshake account. Once it has been approved by the Career Center, your supervisor and faculty instructor, you will receive an additional email saying the internship was approved, and your internship report will say approved in the top right corner. If you have any questions at any time, please contact the Career Development Center or your internship faculty instructor. There are a number of resources located on the Career Center website and in your internship course materials. I wish you much success in your internship and look forward to learning about your experiences.